Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious homemade chocolate. Rich, smooth, and super easy to make with just a few ingredients. So let's jump right in. Ingredients section. Here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup cocoa powder. 1/4 cup coconut oil or butter. 1/4 cup powdered sugar, adjust to taste. A pinch of salt. A few drops of vanilla essence, optional. You can also add nuts, raisins, or even crushed cookies for extra flavor. Step 1. Melt the base. First, in a heat-safe bowl, add your coconut oil or butter. Place it over a pot of hot water. This is called a double boiler. Let it melt slowly on low heat until it's completely liquid. Step 2. Mix the cocoa. Now add your cocoa powder and mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps. We want that silky smooth texture. Step 3. Sweeten the chocolate. Next, add your powdered sugar and a tiny pinch of salt. Stir continuously until everything is well combined. You can also add vanilla essence. Step 4. Pour and set. Once the mixture is smooth and shiny, pour it into silicone molds or a flat tray lined with butter paper. Tap it gently to remove air bubbles. Step 5. Chill and serve. Now place it in the fridge for about 30 to 45 minutes. Once set, ta-da! Your homemade chocolate is ready. Break it in pieces and enjoy. That's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more easy homemade recipes. See you in the next video. And remember, chocolate makes everything better.